Looking to improve your photography skills? Let's start with the basics. Understanding your camera is crucial. Get comfortable adjusting settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Master the rule of thirds for composing compelling shots. Lighting plays a key role in photography. Experiment with natural light and artificial lighting sources. Pay attention to the direction and intensity of light. Practice makes perfect, so get out there and shoot regularly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and perspectives. Editing is a crucial step in the photography process. Learn how to enhance your images using editing software. Keep your camera steady to avoid blurry photos. Tripods can be helpful for achieving sharp images. Don't forget to focus on your subject to make it the focal point. Explore different types of photography genres to find your passion. Landscape, portrait, macro. The possibilities are endless. Be patient and take your time to capture the perfect shot. Remember that photography is about telling a story through images. Study the work of other photographers for inspiration. Develop your own unique style to stand out. Clean your camera lens regularly to avoid dust and smudges. Consider investing in quality lenses for sharper, clearer images. Experiment with different camera modes to see what works best for you. Don't ignore the importance of composition in photography. Learn about leading lines, symmetry, and framing your shots. Consider taking a photography class or workshop to expand your knowledge. Don't be discouraged by failures. They're a part of the learning process. Practice portrait photography to improve your skills in capturing people. Explore black and white photography for a timeless and artistic look. Utilize the golden hour for stunning, soft lighting in your photos. Invest in a good camera bag to protect your gear while on the go. Capture candid moments for authentic and emotional shots. Remember that photography is a form of self-expression. Use your creativity to produce unique and impactful images. Perfect your exposure settings to achieve balanced and well-lit photos. Take the time to review and critique your own work for improvement. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new techniques. Photography is a journey, so enjoy the process of learning and growing. Keep pushing yourself to experiment and push boundaries in your photography. And most importantly, have fun with your photography journey.